Hey friends, if you cannot install the XPS Viewer on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the processes. So first of all, people are doing it wrong. The XPS Viewer is not an application, it is a feature in Windows 11. So it has to be installed as a feature. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane you can scroll down to optional features. Okay, now under optional features you can click on view features, and then you can search for XPS and then select XPS and then select next and then select add, and then you will be able to add the XPS viewer. So this is the correct method to do that. But here's the thing, if this doesn't work by chance, then our first approach will be to check the internet connection speed. So go to fast.com and then hit enter. Check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then you will be able to install the XPS viewer. Otherwise it will not be easy or possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.